Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Come on, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. We're back live at it again. Pandas. Can you believe it? We are still here. How is everyone doing? I'm Bye Money. We are just getting started. 5 minutes till market open. Throw those GMs in the chat. Scalp that like button. Pandas! Let's just say we've been here once before. And then we'll do it again. We will do it again. Are you ready, pandas? Are you ready? Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. We're just getting started here. Pandas, we had a rough day yesterday. There's no denying it. But pandas, probably will have another rough day again today. That's all I'm saying. We got FOMC Wednesday, so Monday, Tuesday, typically choppy, slow days. Until Wednesday, where who knows what happens on Wednesday. I just hope there's a little more normalization coming back into the market, right? Like yesterday was just so weird. Like the price action was absolutely nuts. Like it was weird and crazy. Super huge spikes and big reversals. Like it just happened all the time. And I'm guessing it was a lot of news that happened. And it was basically tariff news moving the markets up and down. And it was just wild. No rhyme or reason. Just happens all of a sudden, all these movements. So pandas, yesterday was a rough day. I'm not going to lie. It was tough for me. It was a little bit tough. But pandas, that was yesterday. Why are we even talking about yesterday? Today's a new day, pandas. And all that matters is your next trade. Forget about the past. Learn from your mistakes, but forget about the past. Today is a new day of trading. And pandas, we're absolutely going to get it today. We're going to get it. We're going to play the market like a fiddle. I'm telling you, we're going to read it like a children's book. That's what we're going to do with the market today. Pandas. Let's get it today. Let's get it. Yesterday was like a negative 3K day. So we can make that back up in like 1 or 2 days. Not one day, because if I make that up in 1 day, then that means I need to get these accounts up to 10K before withdrawing from them. And I never really want to be put in a position where I have to basically make it very difficult for me to get a max payout. Like if I can get a max payout, I'll get a max payout. And for me, the max I will ever make on a day is 2,400, at least hopefully. Sometimes I have actually made more. I've made like $3,500 accidentally in 1 day. Not accidentally, but like I didn't want to, but I ended up making that much money because I was trying to lose some money, and I just kept winning trades. But pandas, we're going to get it. Just one good day today. That's all I need, pandas. Just one good day. We'll make up all our losses yesterday. Hey, why am I still talking about yesterday? Pandas, today's a new day. Let's just focus on today. Don't even look at the P&L. Don't even look at the P&Ls. I requested max payouts on the top half of my accounts, and hopefully there will be an update on that soon. Usually takes about 2 days, so there goes 2 days of trading that you can't do. You know what, though? You know what? Yeah, after they take the money out, usually you can start trading that day, and that counts as a trading day. From my experience with Apex, at least. From my experience with Apex. Interesting. Usually counts as a trading day if you trade during the day that your money actually gets removed from your accounts. So on the top half of my accounts, I'm up like $63,000. So worst case scenario, pandas, I bust these accounts, the bottom half of my accounts. I might bust them. Worst case scenario. I'll replace them with new accounts, so we'll still have 20. And not only that, we are still very healthy on our top half of our accounts. So we can get payouts of 30K. Market's just open, Pandas. Let's get it. We can still get 30K payouts every 8 days until, the other accounts catch up. It might take some time for the accounts to catch up, but you know what? We got time, Pandas. I'm going to actually trade these slow. Like, I do not want to bust these accounts. Don't get me wrong. Really don't want to do that. I want to keep them alive. I want to keep them alive for several months. Right now, it's about 2 months of trading on these same accounts. And we're able to withdraw $110,000, Pandas. $110,000 from these accounts we're able to withdraw already. So, Pandas, we are looking great here. Talk about an ROI. Talk about ROI. Talk about amazing ROI. That's what I'm saying. 5-minute chart. We are coming back up. We got a gap to fill above. We got a huge gap right now. Maybe gap beneath the fill. Who knows? Who actually knows here? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. I'll draw something like this. We're kind of lifting off here. I don't know where we're going to go. I'm going to wait for a couple more candles to develop here. It looks quite sideways to me. Maybe trying to fill a gap down here. Who knows? It looks slightly bullish because we're above the 20 MA on the 2500 tick chart. But look at these huge bull bars, no follow through. Huge bull bar, no follow through. Huge bull bar, no follow through. Makes me wonder what's happening here. We could retest the previous week's close again. We've been loving this area, essentially. Okay.
2500 tick trap.
Big push down. Quick short maybe to take here. But feels like trading range-ish price action. We sit on our pause here. Sit on our pause. All right. I mean, I gotta try here. I gotta try a little bit here. Let's try with 2.
$2,500 tick trap.
I think it's a fair trade. Fair trade. Get stopped out, it's all good, but I think it's a fair trade. We'll try. Okay, get hit. I think it's a fair trade. I think it's worth it. It was very small risk. Risk was 5-point risk. It's fine. I think I have a hard stop at -1,000 today. If I hit -1,000 today, then that's hard stop. Either -1,000 or positive 2,400. One or the other. Look at that. That's wild. It pops up, takes me out, and then goes the direction I want it to go. It is what it is. It is what it is. What can you do about it? That happens all the time. Again, I took the far away, fail second entry long. I hate this trade. We're just so close to this key area. I just felt like we're gonna go straight down to it, but obviously not. Obviously not. I wanted one more pullback. It's a small pullback too. I mean, it's not even. Yeah, it's a 10-point pullback, 11-point pullback. All right, fair enough. I'm not sure if I was going to hold it beyond that. If anything, I'm going to buy here to come back up to the top of the trading range with limit orders. Good morning, guys. Bobo Trades, good morning. Scruffy, good morning. YL, I bought a hula hoop today.
2,500.
Congratulations. Bubble trades. Only yesterday's levels matters. Luis, good morning. Lie, good morning. Austin here, good morning. Thanks everyone for joining. Glad to have you guys here. We end up having a decent push down, but I'm not a part of it, unfortunately. I'm not a part of this move down, unfortunately. Because of this little pop-up took me out. It's all good. It does feel like it wants to fill the gap here. I mean, strong bear bar ending near its low, but it's the first bar on the 5-minute chart. So you need follow through. You need something here. And it is just getting folded. More trickery today, in my opinion. It's already looking kind of sus today. The price action, what can I say? Already looking quite sus. We got the first 5-minute candle right here. Let's see what happens. It just gets folded the moment it closes though. Are outside bars on second entries best up? No. I don't like them. I actually hate them. I don't like. I sometimes skip trades if they're outside bar setups. Only if I really like it, like the setup itself, then I'll take the outside bar reversal. But otherwise, I tend to skip it because if you're talking about outside bar reversal, that means you've already retraced the same like range twice, creating a mini trading range, which on certain days are really terrible. A little spike down there. All right, it gets folded and comes right back down. This is interesting. Very annoying price action, right? Because you get huge, super strong moves and no follow through. In fact, they just reverse. Very difficult to trade. A strong bull bars reversing. What is this? What is this nonsense? I say we're 0-2 right now. Like Panda thinks Ronda Rousey is the best, but the rest of us just think she's mid. This is where you guys are all wrong. If I had like a next door neighbor type crush, celebrity crush, it's Rashida Jones. I just think Rashida Jones is like next door neighbor, really pretty. I don't know. I don't know why. It's Rashida Jones. Like top celebrity, it's Scarlett Johansson. Like Scarlett Johansson, it's just like it's just the most classic looking girl, and the thing is sometimes they make her look really trashy, which is, I mean even then she looks, and I think she still looks attractive, um, but I mean she has like I think she has everything in terms of looks. Scarlett Johansson. Jessica Alba is definitely up there. She still is kind of pretty. How old is she? But she's still pretty attractive. She like left the movie scene because she became a billionaire selling like kids food. It's actually amazing. Like respect to her. When you look at her, you don't think much of her like in terms of like does she actually have like abilities? Not to be sexist, but you just think maybe she's just an actress, but she apparently has amazing like business acumen. Props to her for sure. Good morning. Did someone say Ronda? I don't know why Ronda Rousey is ever even brought into the discussion here. Don't forget, YL is the one who brought it up. YL just kept, and he's trying to gaslight everyone, making people think I said she's attractive when he's the one who started that nonsense. I mean, we're just keep balancing off the 20 EMA here. Strong bear bar, small follow through. I mean, I feel like I gotta go short here. I feel like I gotta go short here, but I don't know. I'll be surprised if we don't fill the gap with this bar. If we don't, I'm going in. If we don't fill the gap with this bar, I'm going in. Going in hot. 7, 6. This is the 5-minute bar I'm talking about. Right, the 5-minute. Ah, I missed it. I think I missed it. Definitely missed it. Definitely missed it. I'm in. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Pandas, that's not good. That's not good at all. Whoa, look at this super strong bull bar. Reversing before the gap gets filled. That is so sick. This super strong bull bar. Like, can anything be worse than that? I don't think so. That is the worst of worst. It is, like, I just wanted to fill the gap. We're so close to filling the gap here. I mean, I'm sorry. Sorry for trying to fill the gap here. Let's try one more push down. We use this as our stop loss up here. Another strong bull bar, I'm out. Another strong bull bar, I think I'm out of this trade. It's too much pain. Look at this bull bar is just reversing so hard here. I got to get out here. I got to get out of the top of this. There's nothing I can do about that. It's just, it is what it is. I got to get out here. It's too much pain, pandas. Like, I just try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. That's all I wanted to do. And it just, like, wham, reverses on me. Kills me. Look at the 2500 tick chart. Bear bar ending near its low. No follow through. It just gets folded. Why should I assume anything else will happen today? Absolutely sickening. Crazy. Crazy reversal back up. Way too much for me to handle. But after 2 strong bull bars like this with little follow through, I'm no longer interested. Even if it comes back down, there's not much I can do. With 2 strong bull bars like this, ending on their highs, like I'm actually looking to go long, but we'll see. We get 2 strong bull bars like that in a row, but this has no follow through, so I don't know. I mean, it could come back down now. I might have just couldn't have hold long enough. It's just crazy. I mean, look at this pullback, bigger than any pullback for the last like 50 bars. This pullback here is the biggest pullback we've had. People front running that gap fill. I mean, I wanted to get the gap fill. We got 2 bear bars in a row here on the 5-minute chart. I thought we had some reason to go short, but instead just wham, gets folded, reverses. That's the type of day we have today, pandas. I'm just telling you, just get ready. It's going to be tricky. It's definitely going to be tricky here. Couldn't fill that gap. So sick. So now, this is why I got out, because it looks like we're getting bearish. We got these 2 bull bars, super strong bull bars, just reversing on a dime. I don't think the gap will be filled. I mean, sayonara. Gap is gone. Like, we're just not going to fill that gap. It's just bye-bye. Like, we got so close to it. If we never got to fill it, and if we get that close to it, we can't fill it, that means the bulls are super eager to jump in. Bears are not strong enough. I mean, if we get that close, you can't get filled, something's up. Something's wrong here. Something's very fishy. Kevin Mack, good morning. Darn, I said $1,000 was my loss, my hard stop today, but I'll take one more trade today. And then if this fails, we'll jump to TPT accounts. Jeez. That's rough. That's rough. I'm thinking full-blown reversal here. The fact that we couldn't fill that gap and reverses on a dime like that. Depends on how strong this move down is. I mean, if this move down is strong, then gap fill is back in play. Hard for me to take the reversal here. Such a bear bar. It's getting me in the right direction here. I'm just taking one contract. No, I'll take a 2. It could be a big one. Full-blown reversal here. Let's see. The fact that I got folded like that, that's crazy. That's absolutely insane.
$2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Keeps pushing down here. You can't no longer go long here. It's looking wild. Very confusing. Very confusing. Jeez, what a reversal. That's insane. It's just so crazy. Can't go long here anymore because it's a spare bar, but it has all the makings of a big reversal here. We'll see. I'm so confused. I have no idea where this wants to go. Do you think it's time to buy Berkshire? Is that Berkshire or Burger King? BRK. That was Berkshire, not Burger King. When is it not a good time to buy Berkshire? Jeez. Can you buy partials? Or is Berkshire B like the smaller version or something? BRKB. Berkshire. Oh, it's like the smaller version. Ooh, big dip. Let's see what we're talking about here. Just beneath the moving averages. Yikes. Ah, this could pull back a little bit. I don't know. Hoo-wee, what is this nonsense here? What do we got here, pandas? A bunch of overlapping bars, little trading ranges. I don't know. I'm down 1,000, but that means nothing to me. Doesn't mean much to me, being down 1,000. I'm what? I'm 0-4 now already. On a very, very, very devious day. Very diabolical price action here, in my opinion. Look at this reversal before filling that gap. You gotta hate that. You have to absolutely hate that. It was such a, like, so much confluence too. Completely sideways. Very hard to trade this. Bro thinks I can afford Berkshire A. How much is Berkshire A? It's only $712,000. That's only 14 max payouts. That's it. 14 max payouts. So funny, Mrs. Panda and I, we always put things in terms of max payouts of 55,000. We see a house and we're like, oh, that only is going to require like 100 max payouts to buy. Think about it. Max payouts. How many do you need? How many max payouts do you need to make a million? That's 20, right? 2 to make 100K, yeah. You need 20 max payouts to make a million. 20 max payouts. You know, all in all, that means it's 10 months, right? Because you get 2 max payouts per month. So 10 months, less than a year, you can get $1 million. It's not that crazy actually if you think about it. What's crazy is to be able to get max payouts every single time. Right now, these accounts are struggling. We're down to the last 2,000 basically. Very confusing price action here. This is not fun. This is not clear at all. And this is confusing, going very sideways. Like I said, today probably choppy day because tomorrow's FOMC. Market's probably waiting for FOMC announcement. But the thing is about FOMC announcement is it's not even with the press conference. So typically that doesn't have as much impact. But who knows? Who knows? OI pattern. It's actually an IOI pattern on the 5-minute chart. IO pattern on the 2500 tick chart. The reason why I don't want to jump in this IO pattern is because it's very sideways. So when the
2500
market's very
tick trap.
sideways, IO patterns are much weaker, less probable. Right? Very sideways. What do I mean by IO patterns? Basically, outside, inside, outside, inside. So actually, IOI pattern breaks to the upside by like a tick, and now it's reversing back down. So sick. I just think we're stuck in this trading range. I feel like we're gonna push down, possibly now. Yeah, strong push down. Even leaves a little gap here. Probably fill the gap now. Jeez. I mean, can I just get in here? I just jump in anywhere? Anywhere, everywhere, just jump in. Look at that reversal. It's so sick. Little spike down, but no follow through. So sick. Actually comes back up into our trading range. So nasty. Price action is out of control right now. Very diabolical. Lower high, I was thinking about it, but that's such a strong bull bar. Very bad signal bar to go short here. So sick.
5-minute trap.
So sick. What is this? Double bottoms here. So sick. Look at this move. Like, we still haven't filled the gap. We made a strong move to the gap. We did not fill it. Instead, we double bottomed. This could be the move up here that we are waiting for. I wouldn't be surprised if it just blasts off here. Let's see. Right, basically double bottom reversal up. So sick. Strong bull bars. Right, four strong bull bars in a row. Yeah, FOMC minutes. Sorry, I misspoke. Yeah, true. It's not the announcement; it's the minutes. So. Today, no news. At least according to forex. Forex. What is it called? Forex Factory. Okay. You get this one bear bar with no follow through, showing the strength of the bulls. Whereas the bull bars are having follow through. This could be a big reversal back up. Probably test today's open on the 5-minute chart, right? The 5-minute chart opens right here. Probably test it. It looks like it wants to get there. Bear bar, no follow through. Still stuck in this range. It's so sick. I mean, this is impossible to trade, honestly. Like, if I saw this already, I'm just like... If I wasn't streaming, I'd be like, I'll just trade another day. This is not worth it. I could already tell today's going to be just trash. I could tell today's going to be already... I already could tell today's going to be trash. Might as well trade it like trash. Start reversing it every chance I can. Austin Harris is up $25. Hey, that's better than negative 1,000. What can I say? That is better than negative 1,000. The money you made is basically the commissions I've spent today already. High or low? I'm not a fan of higher lows unless I'm like really confident. Right now, it feels still like we're in this gravitational pull. It does feel like a double bottom, V bottom type situation where I feel like this could go up a lot. But pandas, it's really hard to say on a day like today. It's very sideways, very choppy, right? The strong bars, strong breakout bars have no follow through, bulls and bears. So what can you do?
5-minute trap.
2500 tick trap.
Look at this. Disgusting. The 5-minute chart, it is a OI pattern. When will it end? When will the misery end? Who knows? Nothing's going to be easy today, I can tell you that much. Very difficult. What is that? What is that? Strong bull bar ending on its high. No follow through. So sick. Just be careful today, pandas. I'm telling you. Just be careful. Be very careful. So people might say this is some sort of what supply-demand situation. Okay, high or low. But look at these bars, man. Strong bear bar, ending on its low. Reverse a strong bull bar, ending on its high. Reverse a strong bear bar, ending on its low. Reverses. What kind of bar is this going to be? Who knows? Very, very tough. Be very careful today. Nirvana Trader says, why not avoid days like today completely or use mean reversion strategy? I mean, what kind of
2500 tick
content?
trap.
What kind of, like I said, if I wasn't streaming, I'd probably just close the charts up already. Big push down. So sick. So sick. Second entry short, 2500 tick chart. So sick right now. Thing is, you don't even know this have any follow through whatsoever. In fact, you probably think it's come back up. Even with a super strong move, it's hard to say. I feel like days like today are tricky. Because it like tricks you thinking it's going to trend or break out, but nope, just reverses on the dime just like this. So crazy. How can it reverse like that? How could you reverse? Lower high here. Could be what bears need to feel confident to go short. Strong bear bar is low. Feels like entry long would be hard to pass up here, in my opinion, but we'll see. We're in and out of 20 MA. Probably gonna fill the gap now, but what can you do? I'm just gonna watch it fill the gap. I have no setup to it. Or the 5-minute has a gap it wants to fill. Most likely will fill it here. I want to pull back. Oh man, I gotta try. I'm sorry. Try with 2. Because it didn't actually break a previous candle's high. So I want to trap trade to it. But I try with 2 because... Okay, it goes right through it. So I gotta cancel it. So it does fill the gap, but I can't get filled. Because it went right through it. That's the kind of market we're in today, right? Like... I use stop limit orders, so I don't guarantee my fill. But the market just moves so sporadically that Even when the trade is
5
good,
minute trap.
I can't get in because it just blasts right through my order. I mean, what can you do about that? It is what it is. Finally, the market's moving a direction here. That's what can you do? What can you do about that? There's nothing you can do about that. It is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it. I mean, I try to get in. I'm gonna get in. I mean, what else can I do? There's nothing I can do about it. It's just the type of market we're in. All I can say, this is evidence of a nasty market we're in right now, and it is what it is. We just filled the gap. Could be all we need today. Could be all we need today. What a reversal back up. It's so sick. So sick. Incredible 2 strong bull bars in a row. I'm not looking to go short here. I'm just trying to wait and see. Breakout retest. It's so unfortunate. I mean, it's so annoying. Turning point move, cool. Well, at the end, at least I tried. And if you don't get filled in your trade, there's literally, that's out of your control, and you gotta just move on. It's just frustrating, you know. Frustrating that we get a day like this today. It's just pretty much expected, but I mean, this is what we dealt with, right? At the market opens, absolutely nothing happening. Okay, there's a little gap here. Looks like it'll get filled soon. Second entry short. Do I want a second entry short here? Technically, it's with our trend lines, within our trend lines. Bad signal bar, though. Bad signal bar, can't take it with this signal bar. So bad. The risk is quite small still. 8-point risk. But it is coming for trend line and 20 EMA here. Feels like I just short beneath the 20 EMA. Don't know if I like that either. Okay. Fair enough. Really hard to say. It's just a bad signal bar. It's the main reason why I skipped this trade. Stars have aligned. The stars have aligned here. Okay. Good. Right? I don't mind this. I prefer this happening because then it's like easy to know what to do. You don't go short. You don't go short against this bar. And it just makes it easy. So when the market allows you to have an easy decision, you take it. And you're happy with it. So even if the decision means no trade, at least it's an easy decision. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. Use code BBM for Apex 80% off, I believe. Apex 80% off. I believe they still have it, right? Let's see. When's the last till? Last day for 80% off for Apex. 1 day to pass. 40% off TPT, which I think is the better discount because TPT 40% off. It's all in. It's way cheaper than Apex's 80% off with activation fee, right? Because when you get 40% off, you get no activation fee with TPT. That's way cheaper than Apex 80% off with activation fee. So all in price, very cheap.
5-minute trap.
This PA is diabolical. We're just going in and out of the previous week's close. Seems like we love this area way too much here. Okay. Okay, big push down. Cool. Wasn't expecting that, but it is what it is. I don't know what to expect at this point. Does TPT have a monthly fee? It does have a monthly fee for the test account, or in their they use the word test, but it's an eval, equivalent to eval, and those have monthly fees, right? If you keep it on too long, but that the discount continues, right? The 40% discount just continues. But for the funded account, it's actually no monthly fees, no activation fee, no monthly fee. It's beautiful. It's actually really nice. It's really amazing. It's actually the best. If TBT allowed 20 accounts, pandas, I don't think I would ever trade Apex again. Let's just say that. If TPT allowed 20 accounts, I don't think I would ever trade. I don't think I would ever trade Apex again. But they don't. And Apex does. Hence why I'm trading Apex, getting $55,000 every payout. Okay, this is pushing down. TPT has 5 max. I'll tell you right now, we'll jump straight to TPT. If they allow 20 accounts, I would never trade another Apex account again. I'm just saying. That's all I'm saying. That's how much I love TPT. But Apex, it's a love-hate relationship. I love the 20 accounts max. I love the fact that I getting paid out, right? I'm getting paid out. If you abide by the rules, I get paid out. Like, at the end, the rules ultimately do help you. So, in a sense, it's a double-edged sword for Apex because the rules make it very difficult to get payouts. But if you do follow the rules, then they're going to have to pay out people a lot because ultimately it'll make them better traders. So, double-edged sword there, in my opinion. Like, who would have thunk? Who would have thunk if Apex forced you to use good rules? Eventually, traders will start doing very well because they're abiding by good rules here. Down 1,000. I mean, truly, this is untradeable for me. I'm just watching this, going back and forth here. Could just be a downtrend day today. I have no clue. It's just very, very it's uncertain to me. The market seems uncertain. Stronghold bar. Okay, cool. Second edge is short. A little far away from 20 EMA though. Also makes a new low already. Second is short, but look at how it triggers. Triggers in the trading range, like this. Makes it difficult to trade. Could work, but I mean, it's in a downtrend, coming off our trend line. Possibly you could say it's also coming off our, I mean, coming off the 20 minute, but you could possibly say it's also coming off our trend line. Now, if this trap fails, I would be more interested in going short here. You bent my arm. I will try if you give it to me. You've bent my arm, market. You've bent my arm. What can I say? It's a bad signal bar, but this many attempts going down, I will try.
$2,500 tick trap.
In. I'll enter more here. Let's see what happens. This could be a count buster here. It did not have the follow through I wanted. Definitely did not have the follow through I wanted. Account buster right here. This could be an account buster. It is all good. If it does, it's been nice knowing you, accounts. It's been 2 months. We tried. It is what it is. Yeah, it's an account buster, unfortunately. Outside bar reversal on the 2500 tick chart. Discussing price action continues. It is what it is. All good.
5-minute trap.
Jeez, takes me out. I got $500 left on these accounts. I don't know. I don't know. This, look at this. Tick shots me. It doesn't even actually touch my. It actually gives me slippage here. It's annoying. I can't trade. I can't trade these markets. It's impossible. These accounts are done. I think we're dead here, pandas. I mean, I can try to get these accounts back alive, but we're talking about very little threshold here. Very little threshold.
Tick trap.
I might as well just have held it. Jeez. It's very tricky. Account busting trade. Unfortunate. Yeah. I mean, thankfully, I'm only trading the bottom half of my accounts. It's only 9 accounts. And we can replenish them tomorrow, but this is rough, right? This is really rough price action. Day after day. You know what? After like 9 weeks of terrible price action, it was gonna get me sooner or later. That slow bleed. I'm thankful I got one more. I got one more max payout on these. So we got 2 max payouts. Not too shabby, if you ask me. Not too shabby, if you ask me. 2 max payouts. Not too shabby. It's completely confused. The market is. It's all good. Okay. At the end, I would have busted my accounts anyways, because it didn't come back down to my break even. Just start flying, reversing here. I knew today was gonna be tough too. I knew today was gonna be tough. Jeez.
Five-minute trap.
All right. We're going to buy here. We're going to just try to make a little buffer here if we can. What? Okay, whatever. We're going to try to make a little buffer here if we can. Yikes. Looks like we're going to get crushed here. Couple more trades left. Just using one contract. Super small risk here. That was worth it. Try to get back up to like some key area over here. Perhaps a previous week's close. Seems like a good area. Okay, we get a little pop up here. Might as well hold, right? Might as well hold. Let's get a little buffer here. Okay. I don't know if this is going much higher than this.
Target filled.
I don't know if it's much higher than this. I don't know. I don't know what's happening here. Very choppy. No breakout move. A couple bull bars in a row, but no breakout move what I wanted. Plus, you got the 20 EMA blocking you here. I just don't know what's happening here. Fortunate. I just don't know. I mean, I'm like scared. I'm going to bust these accounts. I might as well just bust them, huh? I might as well have just held it. Okay, pushes back down. Not sure what the market's up to here. Let's see, pandas. Can I do a miracle here? Is our miracle still happening
2,500 tick trap.
in the modern day? I'm glad I skunked that. Most likely loser's trade. But who knows? Who knows? Might just want to pull back. I just wanted an insane pullback here before really blasting off. Still above the 20 MA here. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if this is the trade I want to use my last bullet for. I don't know if this was a trade for my last bullet. I don't know. One of the main issues is the 2,500 tick 20 EMA possibly blocking us. Right? And if you draw a trend line as well, like you can make a case that we're just in a downtrend. It's hard to go long right into there. I literally sold the bottom, perhaps. Let's see. What a big push down. Yep, definitely would have lost that trade. Weird. Weird. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Sit on my pause, I guess. For me, I might as well bust these accounts because then I can regain $5,000 of threshold. Plus, I know, what's the difference? I'm only up like 500 at this point. If I started a new accounts here, it's pretty much the same thing, except I have more threshold to work with. That's the only difference, really. So if you think about it, practically speaking, it's better just to get new accounts at this point. The only thing I will lose is The fact that I have like 2 months of trading on these accounts, 2 max payouts. You gotta love that though. I mean, these accounts did work. They surely did work. They did work. But I still have preserving the top 11 accounts, which is nice, right? I still have $62,000 in those accounts. Um, and I'm requesting a max payout yesterday and waiting for the outcome there. Okay, big push up here. No idea what's happening. Let's just watch and see. Wait and see. Completely sideways. Completely untradeable price action. As always. Nothing new here. Pushing back down. Interesting. Maybe he is looking for a new low here. I don't know. Okay. That would been the best trade so far. Just go short right there. We'll see though. It's so sideways, I just have no clue. Jeez. Disgusting. It's disgusting, pandas. Back and forth, back and forth. I mean, this is untradeable. Just gotta watch it play out. No, because you have to pass them again. What do you mean? I mean, they're already I have accounts ready to go, funded accounts ready to go. They're past evals already, so I just need to pay for them. Once you pay for them, then they're good to go. Big push back up. This is diabolical. This PA is absolutely diabolical right now. Is it worth it? Am I gonna find anything today? Is it even worth it, pandas? I mean, I only got like $500 of threshold left on these. 600. Some accounts only $300. Sheesh. Disgusting price action. That's all I can say. I was expecting this today actually. High or low here. I mean, it's just too choppy, uncertain. I mean, it could break out here, but it's very uncertain. What is this, pandas? What are we dealing with here? Day after day after day. I'm not even mad at this point. Just what do you expect? Okay. Cool. Okay, big pop down. Looks like the market's falling apart at the seams. Tearing at the seams here. No clue what's happening. Big push down, but probably no follow through. It's gonna come right back up. Well, you know. If it has follow through here, it'd be surprising actually. Okay. So wasn't expecting that move. No idea what's happening here. I mean, it's going down, obviously, but... Oh, this is yesterday's close. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's a key area. Might be a homing missile to it. I mean, the ROI on these accounts are amazing. I paid, what, $2,000 for the accounts? 20 activation, or these are 9 accounts. I mean, I still have 11 accounts that are still getting to max payouts, but obviously that's not as cool as 20 accounts. But $30,000 is still pretty good if I can get it. Another payout. Still pretty healthy accounts. So sick though. Like I said, just push down, but I just don't know what's gonna happen afterwards. Austin Harris getting 10K payouts? Yeah, I'll take that too. 10K is amazing. That's like 20 accounts, 50K, 20 accounts at $500. Is that what's happening? 20 accounts, $500. I mean, that's beautiful too. I just don't know, pandas. I just don't know. So many outside bars, so many inside bars, so much chop. I only have $300 of threshold left on my lowest account. That's virtually nothing. I feel like it's a waste. I might as well just try to shoot for the stars on a trade. Might as well, because I'd rather just bust these accounts, start anew. Because if you bust them, then I can start brand new accounts with $5,000 threshold and essentially same amount of money in the accounts. That's just what I'm thinking. The only issue is, like, it's hard to, like, swing trade on those accounts. To be focused purely on scalping. Or if I do swing trade, I'd be really tight stops. Like, tight trailing stops here. Second entry short. Do I like it? No, I have no care for this second entry short here. Even though I abide by a lot of the rules, even the rules, it's okay. Second entry short, not too bad. Not too shabby. It's a strong bounce back up. Then we're clearly above the 20 MA. All right, pandas. Make or break. Here we go. Here we go. I'm looking for virtually no drawdown trade right now. This may be it. Fail second to short here. I'm getting so many phone calls. It's crazy. So many spam phone calls. It's insane. All right, pandas. Here it is. Thoughts and prayers. Pray for these accounts. Just rocking and rolling right now. There's so many bull bars in a row. It's gonna be a fast second to short. I'll try. Pops up. No entries. This is what I'm talking about. This is the type of day we have. There's no entries. I can't get in. I can't even get in this uptrend if I wanted to. No entries whatsoever. It's so sick. Is this it? Far away. Fail second entry short. That's my only setup. That's feasible. It's not even happening though. It's such a strong move up. Such incredible move up here. So sick. So incredibly sick here. There's virtually nothing I can do here. This is pandas. What can you do? It's just flying. I can't get in, so it is what it is. It's flying and I can't get in. It's absolutely just rocketing upwards. Got no entries here. This might be my only entry. I'd rather wait for a second entry long at this point. I don't know. I don't think I can do it. I swore to never take this trade. The failed second entry, far away from 20 MA. I swore to never take that trade. It ends up being a nice push up though on that trade. I mean, what can you do? Virtually no drawdown. It's all good though. Just waiting. Waiting for something tradable. I swore to never take this trade and keeping to my promise here. The 5-minute chart trading range indicator basically perfectly showed us where the trading range was. To the bottom, to the top. Trading range indicator. Hard to ignore the fact that it just perfectly showed us the trading range here. And we hit the bottom, coming back all the way back to the top. So sick. So sick here. So sick. And virtually no entries here all the way up, of course. Biggest move, biggest leg of the day. No entries. It's just breakout mode. Should have gone long there as my last trade on these accounts. No. I mean, if I could consider if I could conjure up a better trade than that, then, you know, that's what I want to wait for. But if I can imagine a better trade than that, which is a second entry long. Austin here. Do you have hotkeys set up for? Or yeah, if you look at my my channel, type in hotkeys, you can see how I set up the hotkeys. So hotkeys, like I just put like a hotkey for the long order, and you can set it far away from the current price. Like it's relative to the current price, it sets it up. And then I like to drag my orders to my trade, to my entries. Another higher low here. It literally just rocketed up from the bottom to the top of the trading range. Just unabashedly. Just did it. Didn't even care. Making it super obvious what it's trying to do. Unfortunately, I'm not in a trade right now, so it's all good. I mean, I'm not even mad. I wish we got the fail second entry short right here. I would have entered long here, virtually no drawdown. But, you know, there was no setup here. The setup didn't happen, so you know, days like today, you enter good setups and you can't get filled. Setups that you want to get never set up and blasts off anyways without you. So it's just like you know, it's just one of the worst. It's the worst combination of things. So it's kind of what it is. Terrible price action. That's what it's expected on days like today. Super strong bull bar, literally ending on its high. Actually, one tick away, but we'll see, because strong bull bars, strong bear bars seem to reverse in today's market. We got a strong bull bar bigger than any other bar here. It could blast off here, which would be great, but it's not by any means always in long. Right, the moment it closed, it starts to actually sell off. It could just be accumulation here a little bit. Higher low, nice. It's no clue what's happening. I mean, it's just rocketing up. No entries. Rockets up, no entries. I mean, what can you do? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Second entry long. I guess that'll be my trade today. If I get one here. So sick. This move up was so sick. I'm expecting some sort of follow through. I think. No second entry long for you. That's what the market says. It's all first entries all the way up. All first entries can't get in. That's only second entry long. By the time second entry long comes, it's going to be too late. Right, it's going to be exhausted. Slight pullback would be nice somewhere. I would just jump in. Don't get me wrong. I would try. But I literally cannot with this threshold. Like I have $300 of threshold left. And I'm trying to put it all in one trade here. I mean, should I even do that? Should I just go one contract and just see if I can just increase the amount so I can like at least make my attempt meaningful here? If the slightest drawdown will bust my accounts. Buy anywhere here, buy here, buy here. Buy here, still good. Still buy here. Could buy here, still probably good. Alright, second entry long. Alright, I'll try here. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. It's a hidden second entry long, though. Don't know if I like that. All right, pandas. This is as good as any other trade. Thoughts and prayers. Hooey! Give me a little bit of buffer here. Just give me a little bit of buffer to work with.
Target filled.
Okay, we got a little bit of buffer to work with. Okay. We got a little buffer to play with here, pandas. We made a little bamboo on a second entry long. Like, we made a little bit of bamboo. Immediately came out break even for us on this pullback. And that's kind of popping back up. But we made a little bit of bamboo there. It's 3 points of bamboo. I'll take it. Whatever. I'll take whatever I can get on this super, like, small pullback bull trend. I'll take whatever I can get there. Made a little bit of teeny bamboo. I'll take it. Guillermo says, wondering what you use to trade or have videos on starting out? Yeah. You can look at the playlist in the description. Talks about second entry longs. That's the beginning. That's the start. Yeah, a little bamboo was reversing now. I mean, that's all I could get, really. Jeez.
$2,500 tick trap.
I mean, should I just buy off the 20 MA? Is it even a question? Do I just buy off the 20 MA here? Maybe a first entry off the 20 MA. How about that? Just give me a first entry off the 20 MA. I'll try. Typically like a better signal bar than that. Okay. It's reversing off of today's open. Such a strong move down. Interesting. I mean, is it possible, pandas? Like, is it actually possible? This will be the greatest comeback of all time, I'll tell you that much. If I somehow could salvage these accounts on a day like today, terrible day like today, if I could somehow do it, I'm no longer a panda, I'm just a goat. What's happening here? What is happening here, pandas? Coming back above the 20 MA. We're going to continue the uptrend is the question. I guess we'll try. Here's an IO pattern on the 5-minute chart. Sickening.
$2,500 tick trap.
Trap on the... is that really a trap? I don't know. I guess it is. I guess it is. Okay. Second entry long again. I don't love it. I don't even like it. But it's there. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Thoughts and prayers here. This is bad news. I feel like it wants to push down here. Like, I feel like it really wants to push down. But we're going to attempt it here. Okay. It's making the move before. I'm actually so glad that happened. I felt like it wanted to push down, and pushing down it is. What in the world? Look at this sharp move. Whoa! Look at whoa! What happened, pandas? What just happened? Did something just happen? Did Trump just drop a deuce? What just happened? What in the world was that nonsense? That was crazy. That was actually insane. That was crazy. What in the world was that nonsense? Well, guess where we're back? We're back to the previous week's close, where we love to be at. What do you know? Oh, well, what do you know? Still underneath the 20 MA, still pushing down. Confusing. As long as we're beneath the 20 MA, I cannot go long. Do I even want to go long? I kind of do. The 5 minute makes it feel like it was just a spike down to grab liquidity and it's pushing back up. That's what feels like on the 5 minute chart. Feels like I'm just short here. I'll go all in again. If I can get it, feels like I'm just short. Second entry long triggers on the 2500 tick. It's an ugly signal bar, but it is a second entry long. Fail second entry short here will be the juiciest trade I can think of. And you're going to go for it, pandas. Thoughts and prayers again. This one we're going to hold. Okay, inside bar. It might go without us, but it's fine if it does. I don't care. I want my setup. Especially if I'm going to go all in, I want my setup. It doesn't look like I'm going to get my setup. That might have been the pullback. That's all you're going to get. It's fine. I'm just going to let it go, and it's just not the trade. You might get it here. Who knows? Just be patient. Just be absolutely patientado here. All right, here we go.
$2,500 tick trap.
Second to short. Pushes down a little bit here. Pushes down a lot of bit here. What's going on here? Yikes. Oh, pandas, this is it. Thoughts and prayers. This is it. Oh. How can I take this trade? Can I even take it? Can I actually take this trade? I don't think I can. We're done. I can't take it. We're way beneath the 20 MA now. I almost want to go short here now on the fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. Almost. Jeez, now it triggers beneath the 20 MA. What in the world's happening here? What in the world? Pandas. This is sickening. This is crazy. It's just going in and out of the previous week's close. This dotted line is a previous week's close, and it absolutely loves it. It's just going in and out, like in and out, in and out. And all week it's been going in and out, in and out, in and out of it. I mean, it just shows confusion, right, on the weekly chart. It's like the weekly chart doesn't know what to do, so it just keeps going back to basically break even. This is wild though. Okay. Just 3 dojis in a row. Don't nothing to see here, pandas. Just 3 dojis in a row. Just ignore it. Kind of bearish that last bar. Gets swept back up. Absolutely diabolical, this price action right now. No clue. Just watching. This is overlapping bars. 5 overlapping bars in a row. 6 really. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strong bear bar. But maybe more overlap. Clear underneath the 20 EMA. Could be a reason to go short here. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 2500 tick. There she goes. Okay. Pushes back down. It is what it is. I have no clue, pandas. I truly have no clue. That's insane, though, whatever just happened. That lower high. Interesting. Interesting, pandas. This price action, I'm just saying, it went from the top of the trading range back to the bottom of the trading range. And are we going back to the top of the trading range? Who knows? Big up, big down. It's absolutely sick. So sick. What in the world's happening? God, that's crazy, pandas. This price action is crazy. Literally a double top. Smashes back down to the bottom here. Whoo-wee. What do I want here? I don't even know. No, 1 second just short. I don't even know. We're basically at the bottom of the trading range again, so technically I should look to go long. 2nd just short here. Just can't take it. Just can't pull myself to do it. What a wild day, though, pandas. I'll tell you that much. It's absolutely just crazy. Got one more bullet, pandas. Is there anything worth using it on? That's the question. Okay. It's confusion. More and more confusion here. No clue, pandas. What are we actually doing here? Who knows? Nobody knows. Pushing down. Okay. Cool. I really wouldn't be surprised if this swings all the way back up, though. Just in spectacular fashion, just like this. The move down was bigger than the move up. I'll tell you that much, though. A higher time frame, it probably looks like a outside bar. Crazy price action. Jeez. This is wild. Feels like an entry short here. I guess I'll go long. Bottom of trading range. Why not? As good as any other trade today. This day's been absolutely crazy. It's just massive bull bars right here. Okay, just bull bar after bull bar after bull bar, bouncing off the bottom of the trading range. This makes you think possible reversal here, which is not even surprising. The problem is gonna get a setup. Setup is all I want. V bottom here, essentially. Incredible. No entries. It's just one big leg up. No entries. Huge move up. Huge move up. Huge move down. Huge move back up. With no entries. Incredible. I don't mind the big moves. I just want an entry. I can't get one. It's just all bull bars. No pullbacks. As retail traders, we need some sort of pullback, in my opinion. Curious how this looks like on the hourly time frame. Let's look at the hourly here. 60 minutes. The hourly literally is just an outside bar, almost. Just retrace this whole move. Down, up, down. Huge bull bar ending on its high. Still no pullbacks here. Finally get our first pullback. High or low? No. Second entry long? Yes. Let's look for a second entry long here. Thinking we're going to come back up to the top of the trading range. Give me second entry long, I'll take it. High or low is not good enough for me, though. This is crazy. I got like so many. Okay, the higher low makes a new high. Cool. No matter to me. I'm not entering there. I'm certainly not entering there, especially this far away from 20 MA. I mean, it can fly up here. As what can you do? I'm gonna watch it fly up. This is a higher low. This price. Wow. I'm just telling you, man. This is something else. This is special. This is special. Certainly special here. Guess where we are again. Back to the previous week's close. We just love this area. Can't get away from it, literally. If we push super far away from it, we come right back to it. It's insane. 5-minute trading range indicator telling us come back to the top of the trading range, seems like. Jeez. Break a trend new low. Maybe that's all it wants. No setups again here, right? You got a huge move up just like this. No setups. Again, second entry long is your only setup in my opinion here. You can go to higher lows, very risky though. Especially if you're basically at a gravity point. Second entry long. It's floating mid there though, but I don't know if I love it. Come off some sort of support, please, and then I'll be more interested. If it triggers up here, I mean, I'm just not going to take it. It's just not a good trade. Okay. Maybe some promise to come back to a support here. Oh, pops right back up. Looks like it's going to trigger here. I just cannot take it, though, even though... Good reason to, maybe, but can't take it. Good reason to, maybe, but can't take it. Second entry long. Right, it's just a bad signal bar. It doesn't come near any type of support. It is an uptrend. It does make some bamboo here. Virtually no drawdown. Yeah, 5 points of bamboo. Possibly more. Jeez. You need the pullbacks to come back to some sort of support. There was absolutely no support here. I mean, you need to come back to this, at least 20 MA in my opinion. I'd be very interested in going long. Fortunately, it does not do that for us. It's all good though, pandas. I mean, What's the difference at this point? Let's just say this. If I'm going to bust my accounts, I want to bust it on the best setup as I possibly can find. You know what I mean, Pandas? If I'm going to bust these, if my next trade is going to bust my accounts, I might as well do it on the best setup possible. You know what I mean? I might as well do it on the best setup I can imagine. I might as well. All right. I don't know, Pandas. What do we got here? What do we got here? Okay. Ashra says, Panda, when did you switch to pure discretion trading as opposed to strict paths or two-leg pullbacks? Probably this year. This year. I'm going to say it's pure discretion. I mean, I still wait for setups. Spike in channel. Spike channel. It's a very small channel, but it's a channel. I mean, it's, on the 5-minute chart, it's basically just coming from the top to the bottom to the top to the bottom to the top of the trading range. That's like really all it's doing. And that's maybe all we have today. Really, could be it. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Jeez Louise, can someone tell the market that we have opened and to wake up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 overlapping bars in a row. Means don't do anything. Cool. No idea. The candles are super small, super choppy, super overlapping. Just. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9 overlapping bars in a row. What else is there to say about this situation? Nothing else. Other than they got 9 overlapping bars in a row. Second entry long. Terrible signal bar. Super choppy. Clearly above the 20 made though, which is nice. Why, you may ask? It's a terrible looking signal bar. Terrible signal bar. Pandas, I don't know. Why, you may ask? I think I'm ready. I think it's time, Pandas, to say goodbye to the accounts. I think it's good. I think it's time to say goodbye. It was nice knowing you. We've had our good times, we've had our bad times. But I think it's the end times. All right, Pandas. It's time to say goodnight. We're trying here. We are trying here. The moment it entered, it started to reverse. It's not looking good for us. Yep. It's time. We tried, Pandas. We absolutely did try here. I was thinking coming back into the trading range here, the super choppy trading range. But unfortunately, the market's saying no. Not even going back to trading ranges anymore. Two accounts got busted. Fortunate. I mean, basically they're all busted. I should have just held it. What in the world's happening here? I have no clue. I thought we'd come back to the trading range. No clue what's happening here. Triggers a trap. What in the world's happening here? Wow. I mean, this is disgusting. Fortunate. Fortunate we had to have a day like today. Jeez Louise. It's gonna pull back here. It's gonna have a deep pullback here now. There's no follow throughs on these bars. I don't know. I want to just bust these accounts. I got like a couple more accounts I need to bust here. All right, here we go. All right. I don't know why I'm even trying. I'm like actually trying to find a good trade right now. I do not know why. Oh shoot. Stupid. I just want to bust these accounts now. Might as well. I mean, they're all bust except one. I have one that's still alive. Miraculously. What is this nonsense, pandas? What are we doing here? I can't even bust these accounts. I don't understand. I saw one account that's alive, pandas. I mean, I sure do have one account that's still alive. I don't know why I even care. I don't know why I even care what the outcome of this trade is. I don't know why I even care, but I'm watching. That's like the 50th call I got, Pandas. I don't know what's going on. Someone got my number. All right. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, like, what are we doing here? Why am I still here, Pandas? If I can somehow get this one account back up, I'm happy with that. If I can get this one account back up, I'm happy with that. This is ridiculous. I got one account left, Pandas. All my accounts are blown to smithereens, but I got one account left, Pandas. Well, I got 11 accounts. If I can get this count back up to life, then I might as well try to salvage it. Why not? Might as well. All right, Pandas, last trade possibly on these accounts. Let's see. From here, whatever happens, happens. And that's it, Pandas. All right, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. We got new accounts ready for us. Geez, I mean, it is what it is. Painful day today. But what a great journey with these accounts. I mean, we got still more than half of our accounts still alive, very healthy. These bottom half of accounts are unfortunately just didn't survive this chop the last 2 days. And a lot of mistakes were made on my side. I extended my stop losses when I shouldn't have. I was trying to trade breakouts when I shouldn't have. I mean, no one to blame but myself. Obviously, the price action is not favorable for trading right now, but even so, Pandas, like I need to adjust and need to do better. So it is what it is. I think at the end, Pandas, I'm happy with my progress on these accounts. I'm happy with the fact that I only traded half of them at a time, and just looking forward to more payouts. So I mean, it's gonna be a little less, but hopefully, with the new accounts, we can get those up to payouts as well. But it's gonna be pretty difficult. Usually is because then you have to worry about thresholds. Really, the trend threshold is the main thing you have to worry about. So let's see if we can get it. But Pandas, hey, thanks for sticking around. We tried our best, but today's markets are not giving us opportunities to really be able to turn these around. So it is what it is. But Pandas, that being said, thanks for joining. Thanks for your support. Hope to see you guys bright and early tomorrow. As always, happy trading, buzz. Bye.